Hello monster friend, how are you? Now, I'm going to introduce one of the most important themes in any programming language, including Python, variables. As the subject is complex, it will be divided into several pills, this being part 1. Let's go. What if you wanted to store information in the machine's memory to use whenever necessary? We use the famous variables. For example, we know that the area of the square is side times side. If we calculate the area of 1 million squares, we will always use the same formula. Look, option 1. Declare the first variable called side. Side equals 5. Now a second variable called area, which is an account with another variable, area equals side times side. Okay, let's check. It's the first time, it spent more time because Google is trying to find out a computer in the cloud. Okay, it's green, it's correct. Option 2. We could do it another way too. Area equals side squared, as we see in pill number 8. Okay, we calculated. Okay, but where is the answer? Here. Why didn't it appear above? Because we don't ask. We asked for calculation. Python calculated. Now I call the variable and it brings up the answer. Notice that it's possible to rest the mouse pointer on the variable that its value appears. Okay, remember pill number 1? We say in Brazil that to remember is to live. It's in quotes, so Python can understand that it's a text, or rather a string, which we'll get to know later. Without the quotes, Python thinks it's a variable, but since it wasn't declared, the code goes wrong and needs to be fixed. Well, that's it for now. I will see you on the next appeal. Bye bye.